Hey guys, I am on board Aviara's 40-foot flagship. This is the AV40 OB. This is an outboard series of one of the most expansive boats that we have to offer here. It is just an awesome platform, and let me show you what she's got. Come step aboard. Here in the aft portion of the AV40, you'll notice that we are met with twin 600 V12s. This boat is not underpowered in any sense. These head units will actually stay still so that when you're sitting back here, you're not actually seeing that those head units are spinning around. Once we make our way into the boat, we have a ton of room. Not even do we have a ton of room while we're just kind of walking around. These terraces will actually open up, giving you a 17-foot beam. One of the coolest parts as well is this sunbed and these pilot seats. They're versatile, giving yourself a backrest that you can actually face towards the sandbar and actually see the kids a little bit easier. But not only that is Aviara gives you these stadium seats. A cool little touch that Aviara does, giving you that opportunity to sit up a little bit higher and really put 6 people here in the aft, which is a cool touch. On this Aviara as well, with it being the flagship, we've got all of the bells and whistles. Here in the cockpit, we've got a ton of seating, but one thing to mention is underneath my feet here, we are met with a Seakeeper 3. This is a gyro stabilizer that keeps this boat steady in the swell. So if you had a bunch of people on the boat that are not avid boaters, it really takes that seasickness away. When I was talking about it being a very spacious boat, you really get the options to host really, really well. So over here, we've got a summer kitchen. It's a nice area to use the sink, but also we have designated slots for either wine or champagne. And then over here on the right side of your sink, you have a Kenyan grill, and this is an electric grill. Down here we have a refrigerator. Just an awesome prep station. And then everybody always asks is, where's the table going to be? We actually have an insert down here that you can install a prep station table right in front of us. As we make our way forward into the helm station of this boat, this is where the captain's going to always be. You've got a very, very simple dash here. This is your Aviara screen that's going to pretty much control everything on the boat, from your sure shade to your lights to your stereo. I mean, you name it. Anything of the little gadgets that are on this boat are all controlled right here. Everybody knows Simrad. Everybody knows that all of the screens, all of the mapping and all the stuff that a captain needs is going to be integrated here with the redundancy of all of your engine data on the small Simrad over here. Joystick piloting as well, so walking this boat sideways is extremely easy, and this is also autopilot, making it easy for the captain on those long trips to just sit back and relax. We'll make our way up into the bow first before going into the cabin of the AV40. We have a ton of walkway, so when we're talking about a hosting machine, this Aviara 40, you could put as many people as you guys want. I mean, she's yacht certified. Me personally, I think 15 would be a great number. More than that, I don't think anybody's really got that many friends. Up here on the bow, we've got a ton of seating as well. And if you notice, all around us, we've actually had these grates over all of our speakers. This gives Aviara's sleek design an extra touch so that you're actually not seeing those speakers. Of course, on a boat of this size as well, you're not going to be wanting to drop the anchor and actually pull it up with how big she is. So we are met with a windlass, and it is all from a remote control up here or up at the helm. And let's make our way down into the cabin. One thing to note before we actually step down into the cabin, the AV40 actually has a very large skylight. So this brings natural light into down low, and you guys will actually see it once we step down. Down here in the AV40, this is a generator boat, so we do have air conditioning down here. This is a great area for the kids to get out of the sun and just hang out, but also we have a very large TV as well. You get another refrigerator down low as well. And then this Aviara 40 is met with a full stand-up head and a wet shower. Down below you guys as well is your berth. This is a nice area for everybody just to crash for the weekend, but also use it as a day boat. So it gives you that option to just kind of get away for a while. The Aviara 40 is the flagship series of the Aviara brand, and I wanted to really show you why this boat is such a big push. It is extremely big, and I highly recommend you guys coming down to MarineMax St. Pete and putting your feet actually on this boat, because the camera definitely doesn't do it justice. My name is Jack Neely with MarineMax St. Pete. Come on down.